Hey there, future math wizards. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the power of a graphing calculator right on your iPhone. If you've ever struggled with clunky old-school calculators or if you simply forgot yours at home, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about the app you need. Head over to the App Store and search for Desmos Graphing Calculator. It's free, lightweight, and has all the functionality you need to ace your math classes. Download it and let's dive in. Alright, once you've got Desmos installed, open it up. The first thing you'll notice is the slick and intuitive interface. No more squinting at tiny screens. You get a full view of your graph, and it's easy to pinch, zoom, and pan around. Now for the fun part, let's graph something. Tap on the plus icon to add an equation. Let's start simple with y equals x squared. As you type, you'll see the graph come to life instantly. Want to add another equation? Just hit the plus icon again and go wild. But wait, there's more. Desmos isn't just about simple equations. You can plot inequalities, parametric equations, and even polar coordinates. Just type in your equation and watch the app do its magic. One of the coolest features is the ability to add sliders. This lets you explore how changes in variables affect your graph. For example, add a slider to y equals a times x squared. Move the slider and watch the parabola stretch and compress in real time. Now let's talk about saving and sharing your work. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Save. You can save your graphs to your account and access them from any device. Need to share your graph with a friend or a teacher? Just hit Share Graph and send them the link. And if you're into advanced math, Desmos has you covered. You can input piecewise functions, do regression analysis, and even perform complex statistical calculations. It's like having a full math lab in your pocket. Before I wrap up, a quick tip for students. Desmos has an exam mode. It locks down certain features so you can use it during tests and quizzes without any worries. Just make sure your teacher approves it first. So there you have it. The Desmos Graphing Calculator app is a game changer for any student tackling math. Give it a try and you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips and tricks. Catch you next time.